saw Tristan there from Walmart. You taking a picture or a video? Hello! Hey, give that back. Give it back. Are you excited about your cereal, son? Yeah, give that back. I want him to make sounds, be like, ah, ah, when he's got his mouth open like that.